Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning what is user input in Python. Let's jump right in. What is user input? User input is a way to let people using your program enter information while the program is running. How it works. When Python asks for a user input, it shows a message asking the user for specific information. It waits for the user to type something, and then it waits for the user to press enter. No matter whatever the user types, it just saves the text, even if it is a number. Why do we need user input? We need it for personalization. You can ask the user for their name, age, or anything really. The program can then customize its understanding based on what the user types. Choices. User input lets the program ask questions, and the program can then change what happens depending on the user's answer. For example, if you think of a quiz over again, it can be changed based on what you choose. Reward apps. Think of apps or games that ask you to log in, make choices, or fill out forms. Now that we know what user input is and why we need it, let's go ahead and create our very first user input. Go ahead and open VS Studio Code. I'm going to create a new file and call it user input.py. So first we're going to ask the user for their name. So name is equal to input. What is your name? Then we're going to run it. Then we're going to run it. Then we're going to run without debugging. Then it's going to ask us for a name. In this case, it's going to be John. As you can see, it didn't print anything because we didn't have any print statements. Now let's go ahead and print name. What is your name? John. John. If we want to make it a little bit more, we can also make name, and then we're going to have an age, which will be input. How old are you? How old are you? For the input, you can choose whatever you want. And now I'm going to do Mary. Now Mary is 12. Don't forget to print 8. Mary is 12. Even though we have even though it's asking for a number, since in the example I showed you, it says no matter what it is, it's a save that's text. So it doesn't matter what you type really. For what is your name, you can do 12. And then for how old are you, you can do Mary. If you want to make it to focus on only numbers, I'll explain that in later videos. Let's do one more. Full name. Name is equal to input. What is your full name? What is your full name? And then we're going to print full name. Now let's run it. And there we have it. Mary 12. And lastly, Mary Jones. Full underscore name. Remember in the previous video when I told you Python was very sensitive, so if you even though you miss a character, it's still going to throw an error. What is your name? Mary. How old are you? 12. Is your full name? Mary Jones. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. See you in the next video. Bye.